You can get in? Put one foot up there. Step.
I'm so excited. Mommy, I'm so excited.
Who's next? Be careful on the second step. Put your knee up there. All right, go ahead. Don't put your toy up there because you need 2 hands.
It's no season here.
Oh.
It's a bed.
There's beds in there.
Yeah. It's some new shoes for Daddy.
You're getting in.
You mean hold him so you can get in there.
Okay.
Mama, look, there's a bed here. I like this one.
Yeah? You like this one?
Yes, this is my favorite.
Yeah?
Oh, look, there's a seatbelt.
Will you try tucking this behind the seat?
This is like Daddy's black truck.
Oh, it is?
Yeah, in Daddy's window.
You're so good.
Yeah, it's basically the same truck.
You are so smart, baby.
Oh, you hand me those shoes down there.
These are the same. These are like the same truck.
Yeah, it's basically the same truck.
You are so smart.
All right, don't touch the lights. Turn them off. Off.
And then nice too.
Okay,
Those are the
don't
same.
touch. Let it go on. What's the same?
The lights.
Oh, those are the same too? Oh, good to know.
Like
Yeah, it's a spitting image of a Lone Star. She should use that good.
Daddy,
Sweet.
Daddy, do you want to
Good
talk
vacuuming.
show?
I'm gonna try to come back tonight to get a good vacuuming in.
We're gonna go to a truck show very soon.
Soon? Is it a new talk show?
Yeah, it's another one.
I'd let y'all ride, but I gotta get the AC situated first.
It gets really hot, so when Daddy fixes that, then we'll be able to ride, okay?
You hear how quiet it is? It's like nowhere near as loud as the.
Look, Mama, there's a chair for you.
Is that chair for me?
Yeah.
This is Emmy's first time.
What?
Be careful.
I like it here. This is my favorite truck. And look, Daddy, this is my favorite door.
Oh yeah, that thing's broken. I gotta figure out something to keep that closed.
Maybe a little Velcro or something.
Huh?
Maybe like
Some
a little
Velcro or something. Yeah.
Yes.
I don't remember seeing these.
Yeah, the Lone Star didn't have those.
I'm sure they come in handy as far as space, storage and all that.
Yeah, the only thing is that the bunks don't fold up, but you could probably take that bunk out altogether and just leave the shelving. I don't know how that shelving mounts, if it actually mounts on the bunk or if it mounts on the wall, but I think it's probably on the bunk though. But
I would say it's talk to our driver.
Huh?
Talk to our driver and see
Yeah.
what he would benefit from.
Yeah. Well, no, I'll leave it in there regardless.
Mama, I can tell Sina Daddy had his white truck.
want you to be the only one I need. I like it when it's you and me.
Good morning, YouTube. Got a old Pro Star just like ours. Landstar. Nice talking to you, dude. He actually emailed me a couple of weeks ago. Some agents that he runs for out of the Houston area that he put me on game with. And I think he's getting loaded here. He's got some products on there. But yeah, so I just got to chop it up with him for a little bit. He's like, hey, I'm the one that sent you the email. I said, oh, perfect. So he tried to put me on game with some stuff. But y'all got to see the family's reaction to seeing the truck. Well, technically they saw it already when we went to go look at it in Atlanta. It's a nice Peterbilt. But y'all got to see them kind of look in there, and Josiah knows his trucks. My oldest, he's 5. That boy knows his trucks. Y'all heard him, he got in there. He's like, oh, like you had an interior like this before. This truck is just like your black truck. Referencing my 2015 International Lone Star that I had. And it's the exact same interior. The exact same interior. Actually, got a bit of a tight turn here, so I'm gonna slide my tandems. But we're going to dock 17, wherever that is. I think it's back there somewhere. Now, last time I took one of these off, this little ball here, remember when that thing hit me in the eye? That's why I got my sunglasses on this time. But I had popped it open, and it hit me right in the eyeball and scratched my my pupil. So we're actually gonna turn it. Usually able just to pull these things off. All right, let's try that. There we go. Fool me once. All right. Load is still secured. It's not MyTee Products, but yes, it did the job, I guess. But let's slide these tandems, get into the dock. My dock's right back there, so. This is definitely gonna be fun. What in the world? Yeah, y'all, still gotta get that air leak situated. I'm gonna try to get home tonight and fix it. Oh man, I didn't slide those tandems, dang it. That's okay, I think we'll be all right. All right, flashers on, because we back it up. There's a bunch of Pro Stars up here. Put my window up so y'all can hear me. All right, so I think dock 17 is on the other side of these pallets back here. Back there where that red truck is backing up. All right, we got air now. Gonna get that trailer close. And it is not that, like y'all see, I only have somewhat of a truck length to work with. Well, 2 truck lengths if you include the dock space. So we got about, what's that, 150 feet to work with, which is not a lot. Okay, so 18 is right here. So where in the world is 17? Oh, there it is. Okay. This thing is so much easier to back up than the FLD. One shot, y'all. One freaking shot. Looky there. Looky there. One shot. Y'all can't mess with me. Boom. This truck is so freaking easy to back up. Like the power steering's a lot better as far as turning the wheel. What else? The maneuvering, the turning radius. Oh man, for those of y'all who be talking smack about my backing skills, that FLD is difficult to back up, especially with those stacks. Because those stacks, like, it's a big old blind spot right there. But that is a problem that I'm willing to have, though. In all honesty, I'm willing to have that problem. But yeah, so we're here. Turn my flashes off. Getting uploaded. But yeah, family seem to like the truck. Like I said, even though they did technically already see it, but it's different when you own it. It's just a different feeling. So yeah. But we're dropping off this load. We're gonna have to deadhead about an hour and 15 minutes or so out to Beaumont. Got a load paying $1,200 going down to Alice, Texas, which isn't too far from Corpus Christi. Pay really well. Pay like $3 something a mile, so we're definitely doing that. And then we're deadheading up to Victoria, Texas, when we deliver that load tomorrow. And that one paid pretty good too, going up to Tennessee. So yeah, we're doing pretty good rate per mile wise. And revenue wise, we'll be right at 6,000, considering we only worked 4 days this week. And with the 3-day holiday in between, we're doing pretty good. So hopefully they get us out of here in a decent amount of time. But truck ran really well. Didn't have any issues out of her. Matter of fact, I did drain some of the coolant this morning, and it is not as much as when we initially started cleaning that fuel filter out. So hopefully that continues to happen, because then I won't have I won't need a head job here in the near future. Now, was I drinking this water, or did I used to brush my teeth? No, this is drinking water. But yeah, so, like I've said, even if I did have to do a head job on a truck, I'm still undervalued on a truck. And I will mention it again. I will be coming out with a video pretty soon talking about the green cab over I looked at. I'm still indecisive about it. I don't know yet. If I got it, it wouldn't be anytime soon. The owner is willing to hold it for me. But if he sells it, I'm not gonna be mad at him, because there are some other trucks that I'm looking at. But the cab, if I get any cab overs, if I get any old school like FLDs or classics, especially the cab overs, I'm not putting drivers in those. Those trucks are strictly for like for show trucks, which I do. If I do decide to get into show trucks, that will be a stream of revenue to come in, not only on YouTube, just from other sources. So it's really an investment for another business venture I'm looking into. But so whatever I pay for the trucks, I'll be getting the money right back off of them. But it's just, you know, having the capital to do it, you know, ahead of time. So, but yeah, well, we're excited. But now we're just kind of chilling. But I know some people are saying I'm going to be going out of business in 6 months to a year, you know, blah blah blah. But y'all said that a year ago, and we're still progressing. I know Economy's not the way it needs to be right now, but right now is the perfect time to buy equipment, and I have a business venture to where I can make money off the equipment. So yeah. Let's appreciate you, dude, for sending me those loads, emailing them to me. But I'll be checking them out here in a little bit. But anyway, guys, let's see how long this takes, and we'll be on our way to go pick up our load in a little bit, and we're going to try to get back down to the house so I can do some cleaning in this truck and get it ready for the next week. All right, y'all, we are empty. Let's go check it out. Oh, I'm gonna remember to slide those this time. They rolled up my straps for me. Appreciate that, guys. I'm gonna put these in the truck. I'm gonna try to go to the FLD later to grab the my other straps, my MyTee Products straps. Taking the straps out because we have a dropping hook next, and I don't want to leave my straps on there. But I got some phone calls to make, some business to handle. So, all right, let's see what happens. Close that time. About to get rid of this trailer. I'm so done with it. But let's get these straps put up, and we'll hit the road. gave me this complicated map. So she said to drop my empty trailer in lot E. And of course, there are no signs saying lot E, well, there's signs, but nothing to specify. Nothing obvious saying, go this way, go that way. But she said, leave my doors closed, just slide my tandems all the way to the back, which all these tandems are slid back, and I think these trailers are probably empty. So, I'm just gonna drop it over here. And I do have one of those yellow tags. So, we're gonna drop it here. It'd be nice if they had some signs. And now I gotta go on a wild goose chase to find my empty trailer. All right, let's reverse a little bit, get it unstuck. There we go. All right. There we go. Woo, slow down, slow down. There we go. All right. Yeah, I've been here before, for sure. It was at night. I think I had the Lone Star. I guess I could have parked it right there, but where do I want to put this thing? But yeah, this place, they don't want pets, people. And then they climb all in your truck. They didn't do it this time, but last time I was here, woo, too much. Oh, this thing is so much easier to back up. But yeah, they climb in your truck, they do a full-on inspection and take your stuff apart looking for all kinds of crap. They ask you a million times, do you have anything in the truck? Do you have any kind of weapons? This, that, and the third. And if you have any weapons in your truck at all, they will not let you in the facility. They won't hold them for you or nothing. It's definitely a windy day today, y'all. I'm gonna back it up so I get the landing gear on that concrete back there. If I do a job, I'm gonna do it well. All right, right there. All right, so but yeah, if you have any kind of weapons in this truck, in your truck, you're just not getting in. You're gonna have to call your dispatcher. It'd be nice if they told you that when you booked the load, but when I booked this load, they didn't say nothing about it. But I obviously didn't have anything in the truck concerning, because they let me ride on in. If I trust that, yeah, that'll be okay. Oh, no. That's right. Dang it. She's dirty. I'm gonna try to get her washed up when we get home, if the rain doesn't. So stupid. So freaking stupid. Put it on the right side. Putting it on the right side helps you get your steps in. All right, let's go find this trailer. So we are at the Exxon plant here in Beaumont, Texas. Let's pull out of this trailer. Nice and slow, come on. Ooh. All right. So she gave me 3 different places our trailer could be. She said it could either be in this lot, which I don't see it, the lot where I checked in at, because I didn't see it. Whoa. I'm guessing it's option 3. Like, there are no signs that say lot E anywhere around here. You see lot A, but that's not on the it's not on the map. Like, everything to our right is not on the map, just stuff to our left. But I'm assuming that's lot E. But if it's not, then oh well. Oh, okay, yeah, lot D is to our left. Okay, yeah, that's the right lot. So there's a sign that points straight ahead saying lot E, but there's no sign saying this is lot E right here. As y'all see, I did get the windshield wiped down for you. You're welcome. Yeah, last time I was here a while. It was at night, like 12 o'clock in the morning. And getting here, as y'all can see, is definitely a maze. But I just feel bad. You see those chemical plants over there and the people that live in the vicinity breathing in all that stuff. I think last time I was on a wild goose chase looking for my trailer. I think I remember that. She said there's only one Landstar trailer here, so it shouldn't be too difficult to find. Ah, I think I see it. I think I see it. Alright, let me verify that's the right number. Right there to our left. Let's see, 668-196, 668-196, right there in front of us. My little reverse button. Dip. And oh, tug it. Yeah. Buchanan. I've been seeing their ads online. Come lease on to us. Y'all comment down below. Is Buchanan any good? They're a good company to lease on to. They got some really promising ads. Lower trailer this way. Come on now. Definitely need to get some shorter hoses. These are a little too long. Okay. Come on, line up right. I think I've had this trailer. Just recently, actually. Because nobody else puts those red ones on there but me. And that number looks familiar. I might have had this trailer recently. I need to go back through my email and see. Probably did a drop-in hook. I don't know. All right, let's pull it out a little bit. Now I'm gonna see if we have any air in the line so we can slide our tandem up. It is hot out here, y'all. Oh, sweet. Uh-oh. I love these. Not many people do. Okay. 334. Okay. We'll verify the seal number. Check these tires. Yeah, I don't like that at all. I passed up a crap ton of DOT on the way over here. Nobody's bothered me, so I think we'll be all right. The tread, mud flaps, lights work. Just needs a good wash. What else? Oh, brake chambers. Sure nothing's bent, broke, or crack. Uh-oh, release valve is broken. Yep. We don't want this dragging though. Yeah, we'll just keep it. That's why you pre-trip. Okay. Put my paperwork away. Ooh, she's heavy. This one's also 43,000 pounds. Why do I keep booking heavy loads? It's because it just so happens to be the heavy loads that get me where I need to go. It's not like I'm intentionally looking on the load board for heavy loads. Here's my glasses. But the one we're picking up after this is only 15,000 pounds. And because we're going through the Tennessee mountains in this truck, that'd be pretty good. Okay. All right. Y'all hear that weight? All right, y'all. Let's go drop this trailer off and go get to the house.
Drive me up the coast, boy. Wanna hear the ocean roar crash over me. Then ride it home, dance it up in moonlight. Hold me tight and don't let go. Watch over me. We are all stardust, stardust, stardust. Left behind, left to find one another, face the sun, fear no one, 'cause we are all one, we are all one, we are all one, we are all one, we are all. Pick me up, yeah, moonchild, put me into are all one. We are all one. We are all. Love get me higher. You get me hypnotized. I can see brighter, brighter. I love you and I. Love get me higher. You get me hypnotized. I can see brighter, brighter. I love you and I. Stardust, 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 left behind, left to find. Find another, face the sun. Fear no one, 'cause we are all one. 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 We are all.
I apologize in advance for the wind, but she's home, so I'm about to pull out these floor mats. I think I'm gonna pull this up just from the front though, and leave it around the back. But just so it'd be easier to clean and to keep clean. I might put it back in here. I'll keep them. But right now I'm just gonna get up under and do some vacuuming, do some cleaning, and get her ready for the trip we have going out to Tennessee. And so there's another load that I found that comes out of Tennessee, about 25 miles down the road from our delivery in Tennessee in Elizabethton, Elizabethton, Tennessee. And then I think going to Kingport, Tennessee, and a load going down to Laredo. Doesn't pay anything. It only pays like $2.08 a mile. Pays $2,700. So before y'all chew me out on it, hear me out. Pays $2,700. It's technically like it's a 2-day trip. So that puts me at like $1,350 a day on revenue. And that load, with it being at most 2.5 day trip, it keeps me running over the holiday weekend because Memorial Day is Monday. And it keeps me running rather than picking up a load on Friday that delivers on Monday, 600 miles down the road and only paying like $1,200, $1,300 in revenue and having to sit, for like 3 days, well, really 4 days, sit Saturday, Sunday, Monday, deliver Tuesday. And so this one here is $2,700 of revenue, pays $2.08 a mile. It's only 20,000 pounds. And, but it goes down to Laredo, which y'all know Laredo is my spot for finding freight in and out of there. But that load picks up in Tennessee, goes down to Laredo, Texas. I think it's 1,300 miles, so it's a 2-day trip. But when Tuesday comes around and it's a start, because that's technically the first load I'll have to start off my week in revenue to deliver. And so I'll start off my week with $2,700 in revenue. So yes, $2.08 a mile sucks, really sucks. However, the revenue is there. Y'all know my minimum revenue is $1,200 a day, which comes up to like $6,000 a week. But, however, this will bring me down to about $1,350 a day. Worst case scenario, if it's a 3-day trip, which it won't be, it'd be $900 a day. But it keeps me rolling over the holiday. There were some loads coming out that paid $4 a mile for 300 miles down the road, but it was only like $1,200 in revenue. And I'll be sitting on that, for like 3 days. So this one keeps me moving and it gets me home for the weekend. So that's why I booked it. I kind of held out on a load for a while. Nobody else booked it because they're going to wait last minute like I was going to. But it is what it is. So it just confirms revenue. So by Tuesday, we'll have $2,700 dropped off, which technically it should have been a Monday. So I would have had a $8,700 week in the truck. But didn't work out that way because it'll be Tuesday. So it'll just start off the week with $2,700. And so I'll only need another $3,300 to get my $6,000 in revenue, which I'm gonna try to do more than that. I'm gonna try to get more like $8,000 in revenue because this thing, I don't doubt taking a cross country. The FLD, I just fear DOT give me a hard time on it, which is why we're gonna get it straight. But this thing, I have no worries with DOT. Even though FLD passed a LoneStar inspection with it being an older truck, LoneStar has a tendency of picking on you with it being an older truck. This ProStar, not a chance. But I will drop a video for you guys explaining the cab over situation, what I'm thinking of, and just kind of an update. But for those of y'all counting my pockets, don't worry about it. We good over here. For those of you who think I'm rich, I'm not rich by any means. We've just been working on budgeting and making every dollar make sense. For those of you who think I'm broke and I'm out here just spending all my money up, that is not the case. You know, we just have different streams of revenue, and it's time to invest in something different. So YouTube channel we've invested in, we've gotten a great return off of that. Trucking company we invested in, gotten a great return off of that. My wife is actually in the house working on one of our other businesses right now. Technically 2 of our other businesses that she's working on right now, making some money. And yeah, y'all, multiple streams of income definitely helps. And I need to clean my garage, which is why I'm partially here. The kids are probably gonna pull their monster truck out. They got a friend upstairs. And I'm gonna start tidying this up a little bit and buy some shelves for the garage, because we've been in this house for 2 years and we still have not unpacked a bunch of stuff. So still gotta unpack some boxes. I do have a bunch of stuff in the attic still unpacked too, but we've been in this house coming up on 2 years, and we bought this house and we have not unpacked a lot of our crap. So, and there's my 0 turn that Caveman is gonna be fixing for me. Blew a head gasket, so he's gonna be fixing that for me. So shout out to Caveman. But yeah, y'all, I got some work to do. Got some work to do in the truck, do some cleaning. But guys, thank y'all for watching. I'm gonna end the video here and get to work. So I was gonna do a video of us cleaning the truck, but y'all have seen that multiple times. So, and I was gonna get Laura to clean it, but she, like I said, she's got some business stuff that she's handling and getting some revenue, because she's going on a trip next month. She's either going to Vegas or she's going to Washington, one of the two. So she's going on a trip. So she's trying to get some stuff situated now, so when her trip comes up, she's just gonna have some fun. But anyway, y'all, let me handle this truck, and I will catch you guys at noon Central Standard Time on the next one.